Hello, crypto fam, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go over SHIB, right? Why? Because SHIB is one of our favorite freaking cryptos, and I think it always will be. It's just got a special place in my heart because it's what started everything for me. It's what really made me push to understand that meme tokens are one of the biggest next narratives, and just understanding if you do something long enough in this crypto market, you will eventually break out and make good money, and anybody can do it. Like, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just taking my time researching it, and I do spend a lot of time trying to research you guys the best information we can find, specifically when it comes down to these tokens that we're hopefully long-term investing with, right? Now, my SHIB bag has been around since 2021, and I do short-term trades consistently. That's actually how I make a lot of my quick money. Can SHIB actually sustain a rally with this current momentum? That's what's happening. And what it's looking like is the rally is over and we're currently in a bit of a downturn. Here's something to think about though, you guys. If we do not get these downturns, and this never happens, then the market continues on an uptrend, and that is not sustainable. That is actually how we take the biggest crashes possible. Now, I don't know if you guys day trade SHIB or not. I try to. It's actually one of my favorite things. And if you can see here what happened yesterday, this bad boy literally went from 3.3 down to about 20%. Only in crypto, it's about 2 days. I'm overshooting the time, so it's about a full 2 days. But 20% in 2 days is not bad at all. That would have been a great profit, especially when you're using BTCC to trade. I do got my link below, shameless plug. But you guys, seriously, it's so freaking nice. It allows you to leverage, and you can 50x leverage SHIB. So you could take a $100 position, and it would end up being worth $5,000 just by 50xing it. Like right now, if I have higher config, I actually might take this freaking play. I need to do more TA before I take it. But if we look here, we've had previous resistance, which is now kind of becoming support. And of course, it is this area, right? Like, and we can see it's this area because if you grab a rectangle, you usually want it to be a fat area. You don't want it to just be a set line. A lot of us are like, no, it's just, no, you need a rectangle because it's a liquidity zone. It's an area. It's not a one price number. You're never going to enter and exit when you thought. And if you think that way, definitely don't trade. But if you are smart enough to understand it's area based, you'll understand that this is actually a really good position to be in, and not a bad place to enter in for a long. And a big thing to think about, you guys, is if we get the full breakout right above the 30 cents again here. So if we get a big breakout here, and what, we're 7% away, down about 7% up. If we get a big breakout from here on that, I do believe that SHIB will have a lot of strong buying interest, and it will easily make it back to last week's high, and only 10% needed. And if we actually look at the full chart, we can see that once we get past this 30 mark, right, from our last previous support and resistance line, we'll make it back up to that. And then from here on, we're literally only 8% away from all-time highs, right? I'm sorry, not all-time highs, from our previous high, right? And then for us to get to all-time highs again, we got a long ways to go. And everybody should understand that we are very far away from our all-time high. But remember, from our last all-time high to where we are today, there have been a lot of burns that did occur. I mean, thousands and thousands of SHIB have been burned, you guys. And because of that, the rally will continue, right? This is a deflationary asset that is literally deflationary because it's burning the tokens. And again, the US dollar is inflationary because it doesn't burn any supply. Like, just literally simple freaking basics for everybody, you guys. So it is a probability. A lot of people are like, oh, SHIB's not going to make it to $1. It's not going to make it to 10 cents. Yeah, we don't know that, but we've also never had an asset like this that can burn this much of its supply and has actually been doing it for years, right? I got into this market in 2021 in the meme token space, and I've seen SHIB from then on, and I've seen this long down bottom, and now we're finally back on the uprun. What you don't want to do is miss it. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like and share, and make sure you're watching the SHIB chart. We've got some key resistance right now that we just need to break, and once we do, the potential is limitless. And on top of that, if for some magical reason we quickly beat the very first all-time high, then we're in a full-blown meme run, bull run, and we don't want to miss out on it. So just keep watch, keep checking out the market, and I'll see you guys on the next video.